and food and lifestyle blog, northsouthblonde.com, and I'm going to do a little unboxing today. This is a Lily Jade handbag or shoulder bag, and it's called the Mckenna. I love their bags, by the way. Really, really cute bags. I have their diaper bag. The one that I have is actually called the Caroline bag, and I swear by it. I have a link for you guys down below. So this is the Mckenna. So this is a really nice size shoulder bag, just for everyday mom things. It's got the gold zipper, really nice hardware. These aren't flimsy zippers that are gonna break. These are quality zippers. Something that I look for in a bag. And we'll just take all this off. So Lily Jade, with you through every season, baby and beyond. So this is made, this is an American brand, but they do ship to Canada if you're wondering. You may have to pay for duties and taxes, not always, as you'd know if you've bought from an American company before, but a little bit behind the brand. If you can see the detailing here, there you go. You can see the detailing. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just love this here. It's just to put your lipsticks or your hand sanitizer, whatever it may be, your sunglasses. Really cute, easy access. So there you can see inside. There's the shoulder strap. So this clips right on the sides. So you're gonna see, I guess there's a little thing here too in the back. I'm wondering if you can clip it onto there too. And then it's got the two bottom ones too. So this might even be a little, could be a little backpack. I think it is a convertible backpack by Lily Jade. Love their stuff. They even have one of those, like, I know those belt bags are really in style right now, and they have one that actually, it's even smaller than this. So if you're looking for something like, almost like a really fancy fanny pack, I don't remember the name, but I will link it down for you guys. So there you go. This is obviously adjustable. And then if you look inside, so they got that little thing that you just throw out. And then if you look inside, you can see. So they got these two pouches here. So this pouch is kind of for your smartphone, cell phone. This one is a little bit bigger, or either or if you have a bigger, oh, kind of the same size actually, maybe the same size. But you can see, you can stick your smartphone in there, your camera, any kind of device in there. Sometimes I like to throw some essential oils or even some lip glosses, lipsticks. And then you're going to see, obviously, the logo. So there's the logo, Lily Jade. Really beautiful, really pretty logo. I love it. This pocket in here, and obviously more essentials in there that you want zipped up and stored away. Now the inside is just very soft, wipe clean. I love that it's wipe clean. I love that it's deep, and I love it. This is how it looks. It's just a really nice everyday purse that you could just wear, and you could fit quite a bit inside. Okay, so now you can see the Mckenna bag. It's really cute, it's long. You can fit a full-size wallet, like a continental wallet. I still have one from Michael Kors that I use, a couple of years old now. And it could fit sideways or horizontal or vertical in here easily. You could also fit, I believe, an iPad. That's the size we're looking at here. So really cute for every day. Now I'm 5'7", so I had to adjust this a little bit. If you wanted to hit higher on your hip, you can easily adjust that, you know, a little bit more. It's really cute, and I think this one converts into a backpack as well, so I have to double check for you guys, but I will have a link for you to shop down below with a discount code. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like videos like this on style and fashion and accessories, like and subscribe. I would love to bring you more videos like this if you're interested, and we can do online shopping together. And if you haven't already checked out my blog, northsouthblonde.com, there's tons of healthy recipes, wellness, motherhood, home decor, and everything in between. It's a Canadian food and lifestyle blog, and I really think you're gonna love it. And also hop on over Instagram and come and follow along with me there. Bye, guys.